Okay, so to do our purl stitch, we're going to bring our yarn to the front of our left-hand needle. Take your needle and insert from the right. So this is the opposite of your knit stitch. Insert from the right. You're going to wrap around still counterclockwise and catch your yarn. So this is a special hold that I do, and you can learn about it through the links in my description. But we're going to take that needle and make sure we don't lose our loop, pull that up, and then take that loop and pull it off of our needle. There's our first purl. So again, from the right to the left, counterclockwise yarn over, pull it down nice and tight, and it'll lock it down so you don't lose it when you bring your needle through. Then you're going to slide that loop off. Just keep your stitches coming down. Again, yarn over, pull down, so you have a nice big space to pull that through, and pull off. Right to left, counterclockwise, pull through. So regular speed would look like this. This is a nice fast way to purl, so check out the description if you want to learn more about it. And that is the purl stitch. If you have any questions, leave them below, and thank you for watching.